Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. What's up, everybody? Welcome to Day Trade with Zay. I'm Isaac, and today it is Monday, April 24th, 2023. So let me just go ahead and give you some insight. I don't think I'm going to take any trades. I've been looking at these trades for a while now, and just to let it be known, mm, I guess that could be a trend line too, but you can see it kind of broke above, but I kind of see this trend line right here forming, right? Even though I think you guys can see what I see, right? So, just to give you some insight of what I'm looking at right now, I see these two trend lines being respected and rejected, right? One from the bottom, one from the top. We've been in consolidation all last week. Come up, we fall, we go up. We get up here again, we fall, we come down here again, we go up. So you can see it's just been a never-ending cycle of up and down, right? Which we could probably see another down here. But unfortunately, I just don't see the move for my strategy, right? So you guys might have a strategy that this is a perfect trade for you, and that's all gravy, right? But just from what I'm seeing right here, I don't see the move for my strategy. The reason why, let's go to the 4 hour. And even though the 4 hour, you could see a bunch of big candles up, right? And then you see a big candle down. Big candles up, and you see a big candle down. So we technically can see it, but I just see so much rejection right here off of this trend line. You can see all these wick offs, and it just kind of looks like price wants to move up, right? Now, I don't see anything with my strategy because, again, we have respect here at these lows and the support. But not only that, I'm pretty bearish right now in terms of we see a bunch of lower highs being formed, right? But the one thing I don't like at this moment is we could kind of see how price is kind of squeezing into this area, right? Now it doesn't have to squeeze all the way into the very end and then come up, and my trend line might be off, right? So got to be mindful of that, something like that. And basically, what it is right now that I'm a little bit worried about is that we're still in the middle of this consolidation, and at any point it could come up to these levels again, or it could come down to these levels again and just push up or push down. So it can make its way up here before falling off. Um, and that's why I don't want to put the sell in right here. Now, what I think I will wait for though is for this trend line to be broken. So if we can see this trend line break, if we could see this trend line break right here and see this low being broken, then I think we have a good chance. And really, I like to see this low broken too at the daily. If we could see these two lows being broken, then I think we have a good chance, a good solid chance to see price fall off. So I think that's a little bit more of where I'm headed at with this. And yeah, sorry, it's a little crazy up in here right now, but part of the game, especially in consolidation, you're gonna get a lot of moves like that. So, um, yeah, but the good thing for it is the 4 hour is right on top of it, so it looks good to continue down. Did I delete the 4 hour? Oh no, 2 hours. Oh no, that's why 4 hours right here on top of it, which I do like. Right, see a couple rejections right here, and we can see it rejecting again. But it's just, not really. Yeah, that's not really. Here's an IOC, but you can see it was broken. So it's not too strong. But long story short, I'm just real indecisive about where this candle's, about where price action is headed. I like the sell off, but it's just a matter of I'm not so much a supply and demand trader. I do like the ILC right here, but I guess the move could have been right here. We got what 28 pips. We just call it maybe 31 pip stop loss. But I'd like to take it here. Yeah, I guess it's possible, but I don't know. I don't know if I really trust it. I'm just being honest. And we got higher highs and higher lows forming. Yeah. I just like to see what would happen here. So if we can get a price to come up right here to this trend line, I'd like to see what happens. I'm not going to put the trade in just because it doesn't follow my rules. So yeah, left shoulder, head, right shoulder. Could see the fall off. So I'm pretty interested to see what happens. We got about 3.5 minutes, 3 minutes till open. So let's see what it gives us. For US 30, let me show you what I see here as well. We're still in a heavy consolidation basically, even though I like this one a little bit more, just because the low broke these lows, right? So that was pretty nice to see. Then we go to the 1 hour. The only thing that I'm seeing now, we go to the 15-minute, we had a lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, higher high, higher than that low, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. So it's just a lot of inconsistencies right here that I think we're seeing. See something here. This isn't that important, I don't think. Yeah, I was using these areas of support. I think we could see this fall off right here, but it's so high up. Let's see something. Right around this area, we got a bunch of rejections here. Yeah, you can see the rejections, but it's so bullish. Yes, See where the 4-hour EMA is at. Right under it. And all these rejections are what really gets me. Get the 2-hour EMA right here though, which I do like. But it looks so bullish still. The reason I like this trade a little bit more is because this low broke that low. Let's see what it gives us here. But consolidation area. Let's see. Let's see what it gives us. What will we be looking at? You can see the push up right there. You would need about 80 pips stop loss. I don't think I would take it here. Yeah, you can see that thing though, and this is exactly why I didn't want to take any trades, right? Nasdaq still coming down a little bit. This is a key area though, right here. Oh, it broke the low. This low broke that low, which is a big thing. It could continue down. US30 is pushing up, coming up to this top resistance area, which I thought it might do, but it might blow past that, right? So this is exactly why I don't want to take the trade, is because we're still in consolidation and it's still making its way up and down. So now what I'd like to see for the this is to break below these lows and then come back and retrace, and then we can take the trade up here if it forms something for us. That was the move there. I would have never taken that buy. I'm just being honest. I would have waited for the price to break above here, then we take the buy down here. Let's see something real quick. Was this a 20? 3% rejection. Just about right. Right at the ILC, 23%. Now you see it come up to this level and kind of fall off. Yeah, I don't see much here in terms of like the ILC that it went all the way up through, but maybe it should have been. So this, boom, it's a big rejection. Interested to see what happens here. You can see how NASDAQ's pushing up right now. Pretty big push right there. Well, pretty big rejection right here. So if we take a look at the 5-minute, let's see how this 5-minute candle looks right here. Right back on top of the EMA. Nice little fake out with a minute left to go. We can still see it come down this last minute, but you see something like that. Let's take a look at the 1 minute, and then you see that. Still come down, but I think it's the buyers have come in and have kind of taken notice of that. So see the rejection here at this 15-minute ILC that we were using before, and we took these cells off of. If it holds this area, it could go up, but looks like it wants to come down. See, now that these highs were broken, I would wait for price to come back down to these areas up top or down below. And now we look for a buy. I don't know if I would put in a buy just because of how everything looks, but I think I would just for the simple fact that we are in a consolidation, right? It's the right color. And we would be looking for something like this. I think here, this is one of those trades where you have a smaller stop loss up top, and you just have to be mindful that, okay, I could take majority of the loss here, but I know price can actually come all the way down here. But I'd probably do something like this, about 30 pips. And we can hopefully take this up to this daily. But might just stay on top of this ILC that we were looking to sell off from. Use it as support. It's a pretty big leap. It's a pretty big fall off. Pretty crazy. It's not really a lot of movement. If you look at what had happen here? 975, 13 ounce, about 50 pips. So now it looks like it's coming up, right? So in my opinion, we would be looking for price to break above, use this area, break above and out of this wedge, come down and use it as support. So the same thing we wanted here, we wanted price to break below, come back and use this as resistance, is the same thing we want to happen here. We want to see price break through, come on top, and then we can see this thing possibly come up like this. US30 doing, shit, still making its way down, huh? You see how it's kind of using this area of support now? Now I can take it up to the upside. Maybe. But like I said, this doesn't give me any cause to want to like hop in because I know this doesn't work with my strategy. So US30 is still falling. Interesting. US30 is still falling. NASDAQ is still rising. See that here. Still falling, right? Oh, 640 came. Boom. Kind of what I expected, right? And NASDAQ, let's see what NASDAQ's doing now. Oh, came right up to the trend line. That's funny that it did that, huh? Right at that trend line. We had some sellers come in. But I think overall this bias is, look at that. Shit, son. So now we kind of wait for price to break up and use this on top. See if it gives us some formation, which I think it is giving us some formation to hop in. Like where we can possibly use this area. Like this. Take this to the upside. US30 caught up quick. Yo. Yeah, that shit's crazy, huh? I would stay away, dog, because look at what it's doing. That shit just fell the fuck off. Yeah, I don't. It's looks like it's going up, but with that big ass rejection wick, who knows? Because it broke structure to the upside now, right? Because it broke the higher at the lower highs. So now that it broke the lower highs, now we could expect a break of structure to the upside. So now we could probably see a retrace down And then I have a 61%, like 75 pips away. I don't know if it'll make it because it's using the sell-off ILC as a buy now. Like you can see it's using it as support right at this little area for the past 5 minutes or whatever. And then probably going to go up, create another higher high, I think, but it's not my strategy. On US30, shit, NASDAQ, that shit broke that structure. So you know how I said if it breaks above the triangle, we wait for it to retrace and fucking put in a buy, but it's just not going with my strategy. This shit just might keep going up. So that's why I told you, like I'm sell off, but the way it looks like it's buy. I think it could. So right now it's at a key area. So it just entered this key area right now. So be careful. But I think it could go maybe another, maybe, because you can see it's already rejecting this area. See how it got into it and just started falling. But still looks pretty bullish, but I would say just be careful. But I think it could go another like 30 pips on the NASDAQ. Maybe, because it's at this sell-off area too. You're gonna what? Oh shit, look at that thing coming down. See right at that area. So look at now it's on top of the triangle. Now let's see. Oh, you seen that? Right on top of the triangle. Use it as support. That's crazy. Look at this shit. How perfect this shit is. Remember that red triangle? The trend line? Look at that shit. How it used it as resistance. Came down, then broke above it. Use this area to sell off from. Use the triangle as support. Now let's see if it breaks through to the upside or it falls off. Let's see, but I think it should go up. So like, I need this, but this is what I was telling you. You'd do something like this, but you got to be careful because you can see it's still using this area, this little golden zone area as a sell-off. You got to be careful. But I'm gonna stay away because I don't know. That shit looks bullish, and I'm not fucking with it. So fuck it. Yeah, I mean, you could just see the rejections right there. I'll just be careful because it might fall off from here, or it might just keep fucking pumping up. I have no idea. That's why I'm staying away. Fuck it. Yeah. All right then, fool. Shit, that ain't bad, dog. All right, fuck it, Holmes. All right, later. think I'm about to enter a buy right now. Depending on how it does right here at the very bottom of this support level, I think I'm about to enter a buy. Call it a 20 pip stop loss. Maybe we could take it up to this level here. 1 to 3. I think I'm going to enter this. Let's see. A minute, but let's see. I don't like the way that one finished right there, but I think as long as it can stay right here and on top of this, maybe just a wick out on the EMA, I think we're good. Didn't get me where I wanted to get in at, of course, but let's see. So let's see what it gives us right here and see if we get the pump up that we want. I like that if it can stay that way, but it has to break through the trend line, right? Because we're still respecting the trend line at this point. So let's see if we can get back on top, and then we could go ahead and hopefully make this move up. Doesn't have to though, right? So it could just continue to fall off and, right, respect the trend line, but see if it gives us a shot to go ahead and push up on top right now. This is a key area right here because it could just fall. So let's see. Like that. Second. Never really looked at a weekly chart, but yeah, you can see what happens in this zone the past 2 weeks, but a bunch of key rejections. So see what it is. You dig? Price isn't moving as fast as I'd like to, but you can see it's still respecting this area. Let's see if we can hold up right here. Break through. Come on. Come on. Let's go. Let's go. That's not so great. Still got 10 seconds, and if it finishes bearish with a big rejection wick, then we know there's a good chance it could come down, right? See what it does here. See if it can break through this thing. So we got to remember, this is a key area, right? So that's what it's respecting and rejecting. Got to be mindful of that. But if it stays on top of this trend line, I feel better of it. Now we just got to break through here. So let's see if it gives us a shot to get out of this thing right here. Don't like that. 20 seconds left. Let's see how it finishes. I'm only up about 2-3 pips right now, so This thing looks like it wants to come down now. Hmm. Hmm. Think it's time to get out quick. Down about 5 pips, 3 pips. It's not much, but I think the momentum is kind of showing us where it wants to go, right? If it breaks below this thing right here, then I think we just call it. Looks like it is. Let's see right here. Got about 15 seconds left. If it finishes like this, I'll probably pull my trade. I lose 20 bucks, 30 bucks or whatever, but this could be the sell-off right here. Let's see. Give it one more shot, right? Looks decent. Let's see if it can continue though. I'll break below. Well, I kind of like where it finished, but let's see. I'm gonna hop out of this. I'm gonna hop out of this. Put in a sell. I think we know where it's coming now. All right. Taking my L's. All right, let's go. I just took my L's right here. I had a little position up top right here too. Took the L. We're all gravy right here. Took these L's. This is where I see it coming to. Let's see something here. All right. The hour just finished pretty damn bullish, right? I'm in this sell. See where we could take it. I'm gonna move my stops to break even. I'm only up about 15 pips, but I already know these are key zones right here. So for me, I'm gonna go ahead and move my stops to break even. Let's go. See if it falls off enough. Now we know this area is key right here, right? Got a lot of rejections, all that good stuff. So let's see what happens. 15-minute or 5-minute 50 EMA. 15's up here, I think, too. Let's see what happens. Still in the zone though, right? So I think we gotta just wait and see at this point. See if it can continue down. Doesn't look like it wants to, right? Respecting and rejecting this EMA right now. Oh, maybe not. Thought it was the 5-minute. Oh yeah, the 5 minutes right here. So it could still push up on us. So we got to be mindful of that. I was risking about $300 today, so about 30 pips. This is the moment of truth right here. Is it going to break through the EMA or continue up? I think it is getting, this is like a key zone right here that I could kind of see. We're approaching about, we're at 25 pips right now. 27, 28. At 25. A little off. You see how it's rejecting the EMA though? Not sure I like that. We gotta see it blow through this thing. Still holding up, right? Not sure I like that. And we got a huge, huge engulfing candle right there. Might not be the best actually. See if this candle can just use this as resistance and make its way down. Okay, it's got to break through here though, right? Still hasn't broken it. Let's see what's what. This is kind of like where we need to figure out what price is going to do. Okay, that looks good. If it can finish this way, it's got about 15 seconds. See if it can break through all this. Let's go. Okay. Inside a key area again, right? Got a lot of rejections at the zone. alone. Key zones again. Alright. So I risked about 250 actually, according to my calculations. 2-minute right here. So the 15-minute EMA is being respected and rejected right now, as you can see. I don't like that rejection. Really wanted to take it down to this blue 4-hour. Like this area right here, this trend line is kind of where I'm headed at for this. It doesn't look so great right now. Oh, let's see. Give it a chance. This 2 point, so you can see it a little clearer. Now it's here. We know it's being respected. One thing I don't like is this low didn't break this low yet. Let's see what the rejection is. Same thing here, right? But see if it can hold up. Damn. Got to 40 pips at one point, but let's see if it can break through this and come down. We're up about 36 pips right now, 35 pips. Like that candle. See if it can finish like that though. Like that finish. Let's see if it can break through though. That's what we need, right? I'd like to take it right about here. 77 pips. I don't know if it's going to give it to us though. Still not breaking, right? So what I see here is a lot of respect being shown to the 15-minute. If these candles keep doing what it's doing right here, we're gonna. So this is it right here. See if it respects this or pushes down, breaks through it. See where that line is? We can see that there's a clear support level right there, right? So let's see if it hopefully breaks through it. Damn. Yeah, that's not a good sign right there, right? So now we gotta just you can kind of see a flip happening. But honestly, it could create a higher high if it really wants to, right? It could. We could see it. Yeah, this is a. You gotta look at the grand scheme of things, right? Grand scheme of things. You have a higher high, higher low. Actually, this makes me like it even more. Higher high, higher low. Higher high, higher low. Higher high, higher low. Higher high, lower low. Let me see. Lower low, higher high. Yeah, actually, never mind. This is a moment of truth for us. We gotta break through this bitch. Oh, come on, Sonny. Hmm. Yeah, I don't like it. I think I'm gonna pull my trade. And you know what? Damn, that looks like it wants to come up on us. Well, let's wait for this 15 minutes to finish and see what it gives us. It could fly all the way up in the next 3 minutes, right? Or 2.5 minutes. But let's just wait and see how the 15-minute finishes. And then hopefully we see it finish below over here somewhere, not up here. And then the next candle we could have a little bit of a retracement and then the fall off. Let's see. This is resistance and come down. Hopefully. That don't look so great. I'll see. EMAs, hopefully. Ouch. There's a lot of momentum. Lot. See. Let's see. Come on, fall off. Fall off. See how the 15-minute finish right here. 5 minute, pretty indecisive, but it looks like that could head up, right? 15-minute finish, pretty bearish, so I like that. See if that can affect the movement of this going down a little bit more. If it doesn't break through it again, then I'll probably get out, but let's see. Come on. Come on, dog. No way. Wow. Yeah, this might not be it, man. Damn. That sucks. Just didn't break it. Right off the EMA. Big engulfing candle. Damn. Thought we might see a little bit of a retracement. I got my stops into profit now. So whatever happens here, fuck it. Fuck it. Fuck it. Make its way all the way down. Yeah, it's on its way. Very possible. Especially the way these things are kind of moving. It's possible. 30, this 30-minute finish is going to be key. So 15-minute looks decent. It's just a matter of if this is going to continue down. Which I don't know. Damn, this shit better not come up on me. Come on, buddy. Come on. shit, I just seen that I'm, damn, my daughter's late for school. Yeah, this shit looks like it's coming up. Take a look at the hour. It might be. It might be. Right? Now I can turn bullish. Start making its way up. So we coming to a moment of truth right now. I know that for damn sure. Looks pretty ugly for us. I think I might as well just take my money and run at this point. Sucks because I was up about 400 something dollars at this point. Um, I just didn't like the I wanted it to get down to at least this level right here, but it looks like it's probably not coming our way. So, damn. Yeah. This candle finishing as bullish as and finish even more bullish doesn't look good for us. Hoping this thing falls, but we don't know like that. But still pretty heavy on the bull, so yeah, it's still going up. Damn, yeah, I might just be making this way all the way up here, guys. Unfortunately, shit. I hate when I leave money on the table. 2 hour looks like it wants to go up. 1 hour looks like it wants to go up. 30-minute looks like it wants to go up. 15-minute, it's getting close to looking like it wants to go up. 5-minute, looking like it wants to go up. Damn. We'll see. If it hits my stop loss, we're done for the day. Appreciate you guys for tuning in with me today. Thank you, thank you, thank you. We're still in profit if you guys want to close profit. At this point, I'm like, shit, I'm gonna hold it. I'm up about $100 right now, 120 bucks. Let's see what happens. But thank you guys for tuning in with me today. You see why I took the trade. Now it's just a matter of if the trade is gonna go ahead and hit for us, right? So, let's see. It's on its way. We're only up about 8 pips. Like that little rejection, but I don't know. I like it. Looks like it's on its way. Damn, I just seen what happened to gold. Come on. Okay. Now we know where we put our stop loss now, right? If this thing finishes in the last 2 minutes, fully engulfing this one, we could put our stop loss a couple pips above this and move it down. So I have my stop loss about 3 pips in the profit. This is about 8. So we could probably move it down to six pips in profit if it finishes below here. So let's see if it gives us what we want. That's not going to cut it, right? Because that's still bullish. That's still with the bullish momentum right there. Now it has to break through this because if it uses this as support, then it's just going to continue the higher highs and higher lows, right? So we got to be mindful of that. Has to finish below here though. I'd say it has to finish like down here, finish down here. So let's see. Ooh, there we go. Come on. Yeah, that's not going to cut it. That's definitely not going to cut it. So we got to see if price can give us a better suit. If not, kind of looks like it's coming up. Damn. I don't like that finish, guys. on. See what it's doing here. It's using the 5 minute again, right? So I think for me, this is maybe my cue to go ahead and get out of this bitch if it doesn't finish the way I want it to, which is through this. So, excuse me, pardon me. Uh-oh, computer getting slow. Boom. 5 minutes being rejected right here. Boom. 1 minute chart. Wow. Yeah, I don't like that. I think it's time for me to get up out this bitch. Damn. We had some hope. We did have some hope, but you can see everything is getting pulled up to the upside. Crazy right now. See how this 5 minute finishes right here. If it finishes like this, then we know. Like this or anything close to this, then we know it's going up. But if it finishes down here, bearish and full, and we know that, okay, this thing could come down. So the next minute and 35 seconds is going to give us that. I would like for this to be happening with 10 seconds left, but let's see. See if it finishes. It's our moment of truth right here. See. Man, we're able to catch this trade right here, but let's see if, ooh, I like that finish. Let's see. People hopped on for like seconds, but it's alright. Let's see if, get what we want right here. Okay. Okay, come on. Okay, like that finish. Really do. See. Alright, come on. I think right now I am going to take some, oh shit. I think right now I'm going to take some profits. Get into the 60s. Alright, you know what? Yeah, let me just close that. Alright, I closed half my profit right there. Let's go. Key area right there, right? Personally, I think I'm going to get out of the trade right now. I want it to reach my zone, but I don't know if it is going to reach my zone, right? We're about 20 pips away from that area right now. Let's go, come on. Let's go. Damn, this shit's flying. I think I might. Right off the area. Damn. Sorry. Got me a little late. I just pulled them up. Good morning, guys. You guys are all late. Hmm?
Daddy, am I late for school?
Yeah, baby, a little bit.
Mommy!
Let's go.
I'm not late.
A little bit, baby.
No, I'm not.
It's
Look
okay.
at the clock.
It's okay.
But I'm not late. Daddy, look at the clock. I'm not late.
Yeah, you are late.
No, I'm not.
Let's go. Okay, I'll see you guys later. You can see my kids are up and awake now, so it's time for me to get up out of here. Thank you guys. Have a good one.